शुरू करें। हाँ
जी फ्रेंड्स, वी मेट विद मैरो। आप देख सकते हैं ये आखिरकार मेरा मैरो का नोट्स आ ही गया है एंड वी जॉइन द मैरो फैमिली। आइए इसका देखते हैं कि जैसा कि मैंने इसको ऑर्डर प्लान सी पे किया था और ये आज मेरा डिलीवरी हो चुका है। Finally friends, we met with Maro 5th edition and it's the latest edition. Actually I have got the plan C. So actually I am preparing for the NEET PG and you all know that the NEET PG has been replaced with the NEST. So NEST, you all know that you have to be very clear about the clinical practice. So that I have go through the Maro. I have done many researches for which notes. There are many options like Prepladder, Maro notes and them. So I go for the Maro because it's very related with the clinical practices and very clinical examination. So friends, today I am going to tell you about all the books and what I have got these stuffs. And first of all, you can see that these are highlighters and that's necessary for highlight the important points. We all know all clinical important points and I think it's very heavy. Actually it's the half of my weight. And you all see that first of all this is the pharmacology book and it's the second year subject and it got I think only one volume, so you can see the thickness. And this is the pharmacology and this is the pathology volume 1. So friend, I think there are more volumes. So pathology volume 1, you can see the thickness is, you have to study friends. And you can see this the microbiology has the only one volume and you can see the thickness. And what's more, and you can see this medicine. It's very important guys, very important. Maximum syllabus covers this medicine and it's the volume 1 only, and volume 1 you can see the thickness. And friends, this medicine volume 2 and I think only 2 or no friends, it's only, there are 3 volumes. You can see there are 3 volumes for the medicine, you can see friends. And I see there are orthopedics. For orthopedics I think only 1 volume, this is the orthopedics and you can see normal orthopedics. And what's more, and is forensic medicine guys. It's not more thick but it's also important. And anesthesia guys, anesthesia is very important and you can see the thickness of this too, it's not at all. But if you want pediatrics guys, it's you can choose as a very important for the PG, and pediatrics is also important subject for the next I think. And ophthalmology is also guys not much thick but I think it's only first volume and only 1 volume for the ophthalmology. And psychiatry guys, psychiatry is not so thick but काम लगा है. And ops and gynae guys, there are 2 separate books. Some I think some coaching centers give it combined but Maro give it separately. You can see this is gynae and this one is obstetric. And you can see guys how I will study. This community medicine guys, community medicine is not much important but you have to read it. For this extra notes for appendinum and is for histology practical. For histology practice you can see image based questions are there in the notes edition 5. It's extra. And this pathology volume 2 guys, I have shown volume 1 and this is pathology volume 2. This is not much thick but it's good. Biochemistry guys, it's important. And the clinical practice for all the cycles and enzymes and catalysts, all these very clear. I have seen gone through this and it's really very important. And at last community medicine volume 1, I have shown community medicine. This is the volume 1, that was volume 2. Okay guys, you can see guys how we have to study medical students. This is physiology, it's the first year subject. Physiology, it's also very important. It's only volume 1, it comes under volume 1. And anatomy, you can see guys, anatomy is very thick. All image based questions and you can see the thickness of the anatomy. It's also very important things. And some letters I have gone through. I will show it letter. First of all I show this is guys very important. You can guess what is this. This is surgery, which is my dream branch guys. I will achieve surgery branch.
Oh my god! Wow!
Branch in PG, but you can see the thickness. Volume 1 is little bit thicker than the volume 2 and you can see finally surgery 2 volumes. And there is Dharma. Dharma guys, Dharma is only come under only volume 1 and only 1 volume come under Dharma and it's not much thick but the important clinical aspects are very clear in this book. And you can see the radiology guys, radiology, the dream branch of every medical students guys, and you have to study very hard guys, very hard. You can see you all can better understand the pyramids of the Maro this is the radiology. It's come under only one volume. And at last, ENT, guys. It is the terminal branch. I think it's the best branch. You never have to study anymore, and you can do PG and you can practice very nicely, guys. These all the book stuff, guys. I think it's the half of my weight, or it's equal to my weight, guys. Equal to my weight.
A few moments later.
And you can see some stuffs are also there. That's the marrow hearing. You can use it, or you can remember that your dream. And there are some documents, guys, that you have gone through. I am not interested in that. And the main important, guys, all the stuffs, and you can mark important in this. This you got some stuffs, guys. This stuff so that you can mark as important. And this, guys, I want you to meet. You can see all the Avenger heroes as a doctor. These give motivations, and it's important that we should have been motivated. And guys, at last I will tell you that it's very really tough, guys. And first of all, the pattern has already changed. That I think in 2023 or 22, 17 or 18 batch will be the first batch who will give next. And let's see what happened. And I'm from the 19 batch, so I will take advice from that 18 batch how I have to prepare. But I will start preparing from now, and you can see the stuff. And सच बताओ तो बहुत डर लग रहा है जो होगा. So guys, आपने तो देख ही लिया कि कितने बुक्स हैं. और सबसे पहले बता दूं कि मैं हमारे मेडिकल कॉलेज अम्बेडकर नगर उत्तर प्रदेश से हूँ, और मैं 19 बैच का हूँ. और मैं जैसे कि बता दूं कि मैंने प्लान सी लिया हुआ है, और ये प्लान सी मेरे को पड़ा है 46,999 अप्रॉक्स 47,000. और उसमें आपको 24 मंथ्स की मिलती है, और उसमें आपको 2 मंथ एक्स्ट्रा मिलता है दोस्तों, और 0 डिलीवरी चार्जेस है. मैं आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगा आपको लिंक, आप इनसे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं, या फिर मैंने आपका नंबर दे दूंगा. तो मुझे दोस्तों ये लगभग 47,000 रुपये का पड़ा है. अब ठीक है, पढ़ा है तो पढ़ना भी पड़ेगा. तो दोस्तों यही बोलूँगा कि मेरे नज़र में तो दोस्तों मैरो बेस्ट है. लेकिन मैं सच बताऊं तो दोस्तों ये मैटर नहीं करता कि आप कहाँ से पढ़ रहे हैं. आपके पास पढ़ने की जुनून होनी चाहिए. पढ़ने वाला तो कहीं से पढ़ सकता है दोस्तों. सो एट लास्ट दोस्तों यही बोलूँगा, ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर द ब्राइट फ्यूचर योर. एंड 18 बैच get ready, and you have to give first and next. So we will inspire from you, and thank you guys. Love you.